Hey guys, how's it going? Back at it. So you can tell behind me that I remodeled in here again. I've got the wing up on a rotisserie, but I don't like the PVC that it's on right now. It's on 2-inch. Where it goes in on the doubler side, I had to cut channels for the doublers, and it's just not super sturdy. So I don't really like how it's set up right now, so I went ahead and redid the PVC in 1.25 inch instead of 2-inch. So this is what I came up with for those. These are 12 inches to the pipe plus the 2 inches for this. So these are 14. End to end, these are 11. This right here is 11. And this right here is 11 as well. And then I did not glue this piece because I want to be able to get it out if I need to. That's easier said than done with some of these PVC pipes because they're dirty. But I may glue it later. I haven't decided yet. But either way, so 14 inches, then 11 total from point to point with the glue. It's 11. And then this is something like, it's just over a foot. So these will go all the way into the spar now, up to the corner if I really wanted to, but I probably won't because a foot is enough. But this should be a lot more sturdy, even though it's smaller. A couple of people I talked to ran this and didn't have any issues. So when I get another pair of hands, I'll switch these out and I'll probably throw those away. But for now, I've got it supported with rope as well as the PVC, just as a precaution, because I don't really trust the PVC. Anyway, now that we've talked about that, not really sure what I got done since the last time I recorded. I did put these in. These, I think I talked about these ribs. They're in. The other day I came out while the tank was drying and I cut this per the directions. It's 2.5 inch centered on the inside. Then you drill a 1/4 inch hole for the drain tube. That's this guy right here, is this flexible little aluminum. And then you cut a little channel for the tube, and mine's a little big, but it's whatever. So this tube slides right in here into the inner ring, and then it sits. I don't know how well you can see it, but you can see it coming through right there. But it won't stick all the way through like that. It just comes to the edge so that when you're filling up your tank and any gas gets in this ring, it drains through this, and then this goes along the tank back to the bottom of the middle cap strip, and then it drains out there. So today I'm going to do the middle rib, this filler cap, and I might do the ribs on that side of the number 2 rib, the false ribs. I also have to do some stiffeners between the tank and the 1 and 3 rib out of this material. And honestly, we'll just go from there. I'm not going to be able to do a whole lot because there's going to be some drying and I don't want to disturb it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments or suggestions. Always love those. Yeah, like and subscribe if you want. And I'll catch you on the next one.